ಬೋರ್ ನಿನ್ ಮನೇಲಿ ಎಂತ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಯ್ these old people talks no fried items so this egg pakoda and paneer chili is very very good bye let's go That auntie liked me so much. She gave me one. You put mangoes and nelikai and all in salt water. So she said take how many ever you want, but I took one. Mom, no fried items. My mom and my grandfather. These both love sweets and these fried items. And she's having. Hi guys, so there is a restaurant that I keep coming to from my childhood in Cork, which is Valley View. You must come here, visit here. It's a very nice, outside there's a view and all, I'll show you later. But it's called Valley View for a reason. The food is amazing, amazing food, great food. I just had my food actually. I had chicken lollipop, I had egg pakoda and paneer chili. You must try the egg pakoda and paneer chili. It's very very good, very good. Okay, bye. I forgot to vlog, guys. Okay, but the food is really good. If you come to Coorg, do come to Valley View. It is Valley View in Madikeri. Okay, in Kodagu, Coorg. Bye. Guys, so I forgot to vlog. We ordered roti dal. This is paneer, paneer kadai, and then lassi. Okay. We like the egg pakoda, so we ordered that again. Chicken lollipop, which she's eating.
अजीब जानवर है, कितना भी खाए भूखा ही रहता है.
Yeah, we have chicken lollipop also, and there's jeera rice. Okay. It started raining in Kodagu, guys. It's raining, my God. Guys, we just got done with our lunch and we're leaving from Valley, but do come to Valley. It's really good. I come here from childhood. Car, because it's raining. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. This is mom. Say hi at least. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Kam. This is mommy. This is amma. This is dada. Dada, hi Anna. Hi Anna. Hi Anna. Hi. Hi Anna, dada. Hi. Okay, that's everyone. And we are eating starters. Dada's drinking. Everyone else is drinking. We are not drinking. There's chicken. Chicken. He's having chicken vada and chutney. Mom is having vada. How's the vada? Very nice. Her brother made that. Okay, everyone's having, guys, food. Hi guys, this is my vlog. Say hi at least. So this is Tangu's Risha, her name is. I call her Tangu's. This is Som Ganapati. Som, he's an NCC candidate. And this is Tangu's, who's in 12th. And he's in 10th, doesn't look like, but okay, cool. Now we are just chilling now. We were walking down the street. We had something. Now we are going back home because we are bored sitting at home and listening to these old people talks. There's a car, I think. When I do some vlogging or something, only people come, okay? And I think it's a cab, no, it's a nano. Wow! Nano. Kodagu nano, not a like a chai for mom. Okay, anyways. So we're just chilling. Now again we'll go home, then again the big talks. So what to do? Again, it's just for one day that we meet, but it's so much fun. like hopefully they'll also grow up, and then we'll meet more often, like me, Dee, and Mandy. Mandy, no, but me and Dee, yeah. So I think girls have that thing more than boys, I feel. You know, see, like me and Mandy are close, but it's not that we'll meet. But me and Dee like meet, like, you know, it's fun. Oh, నాకు లైట్ కండి ಬೋರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಮನೇಲಿ ಎಂತ ಮಾಡೋ ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಪ್ಪ ಬಪ್ಪ yeah interruption guys but yeah so that's what they'll grow up. Now she's in 12, she'll finish her 12. Hopefully she'll come to Bangalore.
I will.
Yeah, that time we can meet, like that's what I'm saying. Because of distance, I think a lot of times a lot of cousins get separated. I think we can agree with that. Even to a certain period, me, Mandy and Deeksha, we were so close. We used to meet in Coor. We were really close. After that, Dee went to hostel, then Mandy went to hostel, then I was in Bangalore. But yeah, same things happen. Now he's in 10th. I don't know he only doesn't know what he's going to do. But at least she's clear she'll come to Bangalore. That time we'll to machayenge, how he's saying. Will you at least come to Bangalore? Well, hopefully. That's what he's saying. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. That time we'll meet more often. But yeah. Now again, tomorrow morning we'll all go. Everyone will get separated. Then we'll only chat on Instagram. Yeah, this happened, that happened. We'll share reels, that's all. So yeah, guys. We're chilling, okay? Now we'll go home. Okay, bye. I'll show you at home. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye. He's eating only. Like,
He's hungry from ages.
bye.